Hey guys, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. It's free.
Hi guys, it's me Riya and welcome back to my channel. So kajal is probably the most basic makeup product that most of us Indian girls love to wear on an everyday basis. I also love applying kajals because I feel it's the most simplest way in which you can just define your eyes beautifully. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all my top 5 picks so that it helps you choose better if you are looking out for a good everyday kajal. So the first kajal that I want to talk to you about is by Plum and it's their Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. Now this actually comes in a pencil form and it needs to be sharpened. This one retails for rupees 425 and it claims to be smudge proof, waterproof, preservative free and 100% vegan as well. So the reason why I really love this kajal is because I have very watery eyelids and any kajal that I wear tends to get smudged from the outer corner of my eyes. But the kind of wear time that this kajal gives me is way beyond than any other kajal has given me till date. The only drawback of this kajal is that it needs to be sharpened, which might be bothersome for some of you, but the quantity that you get in this kajal is way more than what you would get in your normal retractable kajals, and that is why I will definitely recommend you all to try out this kajal. The next kajal is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. Now this claims to stay for 22 hours, which I'll be honest is not true, but it does stay for a long time, at least for 4 to 5 hours on me, and it does smudge from the outer corner of my eye. But the reason that I really like this kajal is because it's very creamy and very easy to apply. Secondly, it comes in a retractable form, so you don't really have to bother about sharpening your kajal. And the third reason that I really like is because it comes in a variety of colors. So on days when you do not want to wear a typical black kajal, then you can opt for a blue, green or a brown kajal as well. The third kajal is by LA Girl and this is their Glide Gel Eyeliner. This retails for rupees 450 and I totally love this kajal because it's such an intense black color, and like the name is, it is a gel liner, so it has the intensity of a gel liner but in a pencil form. The only con I would say about this kajal is again that it needs to be sharpened, so you need a separate sharpener, but it glides beautifully and it's super soft to apply, and I totally love this kajal. The fourth kajal is the Sugar Cosmetics Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal. So this one retails for rupees 399. So this comes in a retractable form, so you do not have to bother about sharpening, and it's a completely paraben free, mineral oil free and paraffin free kajal, and you do not really have to tug or pull your eyelids for applying this kajal. It just glides on beautifully, and because it is so intensely pigmented, you can actually use it as an eyeliner on your upper eyelids as well. And the last kajal is by Catrice Cosmetics and this is their long lasting eye pencil. This retails for rupees 330. It comes in a retractable form, and suppose you need a very sharp line, then you can actually sharpen the tip using the sharpener that's given at the bottom of this kajal itself. So you can actually sharpen the tip for a very precise application. The reason why I really like this kajal is because it's extremely matte and it is also waterproof, so it's perfect for your rainy season, and because this kajal is dermatologically tested, it's safe even for the most sensitive eyes. So those were my recommendations for a kajal under rupees 500. I hope you really like this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I shall see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.